Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to edit your Wix website to make it even better. So let us get started. First, click on the name of your website to access your Wix dashboard. Then, tap on Go to My Sites to enter the editing mode. Here, you can freely customize and improve your website. On the left side of the screen, you will find various tools and elements you can add. These include text, images, videos, music, and more. The Add section option allows you to add basic components to your website, such as pages and menus. In the Site Design section, you can change the color theme and text styles to match your preferences and enhance the overall look of your site. If you feel like something is missing, you can explore the Apps section to add additional functionalities to your website. My Business allows you to manage and optimize your business-related content, while Add Media lets you incorporate multimedia elements into your site. To manage site content, you can use CMS. In addition, on the right side, there are handy tools for copying, duplicating, and deleting elements. With these easy-to-use tools, you can transform and fine-tune your Wix website to create a professional and engaging online presence for your brand. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.